Morning, I'm Major Cristina Aquino from the 5th Tactical Helicopter Wing under the Philippine Air Force, and I am the pilot in command of the S-70 Black Hawk helicopter. Sa 5th Tactical Helicopter Wing, kami po ay nagkakandak ng different heli-lift operations, including all resupplies, all combat missions, as well as humanitarian missions. Na tumutulong po not only to the Philippine Air Force but the whole armed forces of the Philippines. So, in-encourage po namin ang lahat ng kabataan to join our team, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, as your career choice. At kami as young bloods, dito rin po kami lumaki sa Armed Forces na kung saan kami po ay nag-grow as not only leaders but also as citizens of this nation. Yun lang po. Thank you.